In this video, we're going to be looking at integer powers and roots. Okay, powers are small digits called indices. Let's see what they look like. Here I have x. When we have x to the power of 2, it will be saying x squared. When we have x to the power of 3, it will be like saying x cubed. We can have any number, so we can have 4, we can have 5, we can have 6, we can have anything. We can also have algebra up there. This will be our next topic we're going to be focusing on. Okay, let's see what this actually means. When we say we have x to the power of 2, it is like saying x times x. When we say we have x to the power of 3, it is like saying x times x times x. So the general rule is x to the power of n equals x times x, the number of n times. Okay, let's see an example. We have 5 to the power of 2. This is like writing 5 times 5, which is equals 25. 7 to the power of 3 is like writing 7 times 7 times 7, which is 343. Okay, let's have a look at square numbers. It is recommended that you memorize these for when we're finding the square roots. We'll be coming onto that in a moment. Here are a few. So you can see it's like 1 to the power of 2 is 1, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and so on. Let's have a look at cube numbers. It is also recommended that you learn these as well. Here I have a few. It's like saying 1 to the power of 3 is 1, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and so on. Remember that when we have 1 to the power of a number, it is always going to be 1. Okay, I'd like you to try these questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, let's have a look at roots. They look something like this. When we don't have a number, where this 2 is, when we don't have a number, it means square root. You don't have to write this 2 that's there, but I've written it to show you. You can have any number, so you can have 3, you can have 4, you can have anything. Let's see what this means. So when we have square root, it is like saying x divided by n equals n. So whatever we divide the number inside the root, it has to be the answer. So if we have cubed root of x, that would be like saying x divided by n, which gives n. So this is the general rule. Okay, let's have a look at these questions. We'll go through the first one. Square root of 49. This is like saying 49 divided by 7 gives 7. So the square root of 49 is 7. It is recommended, like I said before, to memorize square numbers and cube numbers so you can work these out easily. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, hopefully you are confident in questions on integer powers and roots. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.